Greetings and welcome to this training video about deleting a contact and restoring deleted contacts. So maybe you're working a deal, and it's just dead, you want to remove them from the system, and don't ever want to talk to them ever again, you want to delete them out. We are going to show you how to do that, and then maybe you accidentally delete a prospect that you didn't want to delete, and you want to restore that record back. I'm going to address all of that in the video. Now the first thing we got to do is navigate over to our CRM. If you're not there yet, on the left-hand navigation here there should be a section called Contacts. So select that. And when you do, it'll pull up all of your contacts here. Now your list may be bigger, it may have multiple pages. And so if you can see the contact you want to delete, you can go ahead and select them there. If you don't see the contact that you want to delete, we got to find them on there. So one way to do that quickly is just to do a quick search. So we can type in the record and boom, it shows them there, and you can select them like that. You want to make sure to select the box directly next to their name, and not this one here, because that's going to select multiple if you've got a list there, so be careful. About that, I've made that mistake a couple of times, where I've deleted multiple records by accident here, so just select that box once you've got it selected. It'll say you've selected one record. Then you can click this button right here that says delete contacts. It'll give you a little warning that it's going to remove all the corresponding conversations and tasks and so forth, and also stop any active campaigns when you delete that contact record out. So you want to make sure that we are deleting the one that you want to delete, and not deleting all this information. So if you're ready to go, click confirm, and it should delete that record. Now once you go back over to our smart list, once you delete out the filter there, you'll notice that they should be gone. There they go. Now the record has been deleted. Now let's say you accidentally delete somebody. Let's say we didn't want to delete that record. How do you actually restore them? So we've got a cool feature here called restore. So you notice at the top of the CRM, we have this little restore function right here. And when you click that, it'll show all the contact records that have been deleted. So if you want to restore that record, just select their name and click restore, and you click confirm, and now they should show back up onto our smart list once it restores the records. So if we refresh the screen here, hopefully they'll come back. Sometimes it takes a minute. There we are. So as you can see, the record is restored. Now you can also delete records in bulk. Let's say we want to get rid of multiple people at once. Well, you can go and select them like this, and then hit that delete contacts record. You just want to be wary that you're selecting the right ones and not deleting out information that you don't want. You can also use filters. So if you've got tags on your records, you can filter by all kinds of different things to find records. Maybe you want to delete out everybody from the state of California or something, whatever you want to do. You can use filters to segment people and then select which ones you want to delete, and you can do that in bulk. Thanks for listening to this video about deleting a contact and restoring deleted contacts. For more videos like this, or to make a request for additional training videos, please go to the main menu and add a comment ticket.